Hello guys, today I'm going to present you some labs under the course Identity and Access Management. In this labs, I'm going to use three different operating systems, that is Linux, Kali and CentOS. I hope it will be very useful to you people. Please don't forget to like and to comment. Thanks. Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to assign some sudo limited privileges to some users. For that we need to create our different users. So add Camellia. Okay, I need to attribute her a password. So go password Camellia. Then you will try the password. Okay, now I will enter into the sudo file. Sudo I will run them some different here and run all command. Here can run a restricted command. Here in system ctl SGID. Now on Camellia can run command under storage. Now exit. Now you will test. I will first log in as here. Password. Alright. Password. So that she has been hooked. Now I will exit. Login as there. There. Password. Okay. Error. Password first. Error. What she has not counted by permission. Another command. Password. Error again. Let us try this last one. Sudo status password. This is how it is moving because she has been granted command to run system status cc SG file. Now let me exit. Alright, exit as Kenya. Now login as Camilla. Now login as Camilla. Camilla. Password. Alright. I'll try different command. Go disk. Password. Output is password. Error. Try another one. Sudo storage. Now this one will work. Password. Error. The storage is not found because storage has not been created. And let me try again last command. Still error. Now I'm going to show you how to disable the sudo timer. The main objective is to control password pump of sudo users. I will start by typing the default time. Sudo fdisk. Alright, now try different command. You will see that they will not ask me for my password. Sudo system utl choose sshd. No password. With sudo ip table. No password. Now I'm going to reset the default time. Sudo -k. Enter into the sudo file. Sudo password. Alright, I'm going to modify the default section. Not really modify, add a default specification. Exit. Default time. Default time out equals to 0. Now zip. Run the same command that I ran at the beginning. Alright. You see that I've asked for my password. Okay. Run the second command. Right? They are still asking for my password. Alright. Now I'm going to enter into the sudo file again. password. All right, now try a different default specification for a particular user. I will use that area, but I like that name. Area. All right, now log out. Login as area. Password of area. Now type that same command. Ask password for area. Sorry. Mistake. Quick. Try another command. It's the same command, same command. Alright. IP tables. Password again. Now log out. Lab TV. In this lab, I'm going to create an encrypted home directory for a user. First, you need to install the package. That is, type the command sudo apt install utils. Alright, I've already installed. After installing this package, now I'm going to create a user account with an encrypted home directory and then view the result. Sudo adduser encrypt home player Pandora. All right. New password. Full name. Home number. Work phone 656 91 00 38 678 78 95 29. I don't have. Yes. All right. Then view my result. Now I'm going to log in as Cleopatra and run the encrypt on passphrase. Passphrase. The passphrase is the password of Cleopatra. Now I'm going to exit. Lab 4. In this lab, I'm going to set a password complexity criteria. First of all, you need to install the package using the command sudo apt install dpam ew quality. I've already installed, that's why. After installing the package, you enter into the configuration file. Sudo nano /etc/security /ew quality dot config. Lab 5. In this lab, I'm going to set an account and a password expiring data. First, I will create a user with his home directory and an expiring date. Sudo user add area. I'm going to view my result. All right, now I'm going to use user mode to change Aria's account expiration date to 31st July 2025. I'm going to view my result. Now, I'm going to assign a password to Aria's account, forcing her to change her password on her first login. I'm going now to view my results again. All right, now I'm going to log in as Aria. Password. You are required to change your password immediately. Lab 6. In this lab, I'm going to show you how to detect compromised password. I will start by giving you a link that contains hashes of password with 21 BD1 string as part of jar values. Alright, this is the link. Now I'm going to edit a shell script. This is my shell script. I'll make the script executable. Now I'm going to test, that is, run the script using different passwords. Please be patient, it's still loading. Kind of password is okay for use. I will put another password. Let me just put okay. Kind of password is compromised, meaning that the password has already been hacked. Let me try another password. This is the last one. There is the hash value of the password 9D31. Kind of password is compromised, meaning that the password has already been hacked. In this lab, I'm going to search for set user ID and set group ID. Firstly, I'm going to search into the entire file system, looking for files that have the set user ID and the set group ID before saving the file into a text file. It's loading. For you to do this lab, you need to have a good internet connection. So without a good internet connection, I'm not sure that will really work. It is searching. After this step, I'm going to log in as another user. Create a dummy shell script and make it executable. After that, I'm going to type this same command, but this time I'm going to change the saving file. It is loading. Alright, now let me log in as another user. Password. Let me create my dummy shell script. Make the script executable. Now I'm going to view the content of my script with the different heights. Alright, now I'm going to type again the first command, but this time I'm going to save the file into a different text file. Now, let me first of all exit. It is still loading. I need to search into all my file system, detecting which file has the set user ID and the set group ID. It is loading. The main objective of this lab is first of all know what is the set user ID, know what is the set group ID, know the different user, how to detect the different user that have that permission, and know how it is important. It's still loading. Not easy. Network is really disturbing. After this step, I'm going to compare the first file and the second file and display the difference. It's really taking time. Alright, now is the time to view the difference. Oh, there's a mistake. I think this time, alright, you will see that the user area is having the set user ID. Thanks.